it's me, K10, and I love counting. I love ducks, and I love singing songs. Hey, wait a minute. Counting ducks and singing songs, that's giving me a clever idea for a Crafternoon. We can make the 5 little ducks. Yes, all right, you're gonna wanna see how we do this. Come on. So we need to make the 5 little ducks. We also have to make the mama duck. So let's get to work. Do you know what color ducks are?
Well, in a storybook, ducks are
yellow. So we're gonna need some yellow construction paper. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our construction paper. We're gonna fold it just a little bit, nice and lined up. And we're gonna take one of our fingers and we're gonna take a marker. Boop. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the side that's already folded as one of the edges. And then we're just gonna go over and down. We kind of draw our little finger puppet. We're gonna cut that out. And it doesn't have to fit perfectly. It just has to sit on your finger. There we go. And this can be our first little duck. What we're gonna need to use to seal this up is something called washi tape. And you just wanna line it up. The middle of your washi tape is on the middle of your seam. And then you're gonna fold it over. You're just gonna pinch it on both sides. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Keep going. Pinch, pinch, pinch. And then we're gonna go all the way down here. And there we have the beginnings of our little duck. Maybe this could go on the pinky finger. Hello, I'm just a little duck. Okay, that is really cute. But to make it look like a duck, I think we can add some eyes and a little beak and maybe even a feather.
I love feathers.
So I'm gonna use some of my tacky glue here. And I'm just gonna add a teeny tiny little dot here, the back of the duck. Glue on that feather and on it goes. Nice. And what we're gonna need to do now is add some eyes. Maybe this one. And maybe this one. Silly eyes, I love that. I'm gonna take a little brush, take some glue. I'm gonna do a little dot here. Let's do a little dot right here. And we're gonna just gently put our googly eyes right on this cute little duck, like so. That is so silly, look at that. So we need a little beak for this little duck. So to make a beak, all we need is some orange construction paper that we can use. And we just want to use a teeny tiny little bit. So we can just even cut a part of this paper off and we can use the rest for another craft another day.
because believe it or not,
This is enough paper.
for all the beaks we need today.
To make a beak, you just want to fold a piece of paper in half. And then we're just going to cut kind of a half circle motion like this. And boom. And to glue the beak on, you just want to put a dot of glue right in the middle of the beak. Just like so. Gonna stick it right on. This is her duck. This is our first little duck. I think this duck is so cute. So we just need to make 4 more ducks and some mom. So let's get to work.
So now that we have our
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little ducks, we have to make mama duck. So we'll take some yellow construction paper, and we want mama duck to look a little bit bigger than these ducks. So we're gonna tape this up with our washi tape, just like we've been doing. Maybe we'll give her some wings because she's, you know, the mama duck. Oh, that's adorable. So then we should maybe give her like a hairdo. Ooh, this could look nice. This orange. And then we'll get her beak. Ready for Mama Duck? Here she is, it's Mama Duck.
You look so good, Mama Duck. Thank you. Quick, quick, quick. Well, are you ready to sing a song?
I am. Oh, yay, awesome. All right, let's sing 5 Little Ducks.
5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only